Mic check. Okay, I think we're good. We're good. We're good. Good morning, everyone. It's been a while since the last time that I've been online on this platform. Probably because um, the market has been so unpredictable with my previous strategy. That's why I kind of stepped back for a little while from the market because I don't want to get myself right too hard that made me quit. But yeah, here again on the September here 4th. I think not. I wish. I wish that the market is going to be again under control of everything. I don't know. Maybe that's just my problem with it. So before we start at 10, I think I'm gonna do some back testing a bit because I have been so lost with myself about the silver bullets because that I kind of learned too many things and interfered the silver bullet, the core of it, too much that I don't know what I'm actually doing. So yeah, so I did a couple of back tests this afternoon here in my time zone. So let me oh shit. Oh. Ah, okay. Okay, here it is. So it's alive. Fuck you. I am alive, but just taking some fresh air to not getting myself killed by the market. How are you, brother? I hope you are doing very good. It's been tough days for me during the August mid to end that caused my brain having a lot of unwanted things. Wait. Oh, I think I'm gonna change a little bit about the I'm good, man. Nice to have you back. You too, you too. I mean, I can't let you trading alone. I will be haunting you again every sessions. I think I'm gonna change the thing live trading 15. I'm gonna include my challenge pace. Tough times sharpen us, no biggie. Yeah. Fuck, I wanna scream so bad. All right. So yeah, let me change the title a little bit. So here's the deal. This September, I took another challenge account, which is on FXIFY. That's a new prop firm, and I'm so sorry about what happens to my forex funds. They got shut down, rug pulled so hard, bro. I just don't know if I have to be grateful or not with my blown account there, because if I didn't blow my account and in profit, that probably the rug pull is probably going to shut down my account too. So I think it's a lose-lose situation. But yeah, and now I am trusting a couple of other prop firms. One is the oldest recommendation, which is the, what's the name of it? My funded FX. That seems legit. There's a lot of prop firms too out there that are still like, you know, clear and clean on their hand and not doing anything stupid. So, but now I took a challenge of 15k on FXIFY. I don't give a shit. I'ma just mention their name on my title, so maybe if they see it, sponsor me with a bigger account. I don't know. So yeah. Phase 1. Okay. Why I am including this prop firm thingy on my title? I just want to be, you know, discipline myself by being transparent to YouTube, to the viewers, that I'm not going to cheat on my strategy, my plan, my anything, so that I can be really following it to the tick, to the checklist. Because I don't want to, you know, live streaming about this, but then off stream I'll be just taking other trades. No, I don't want to do that. I will only be taking trades, like, you know, so you can be the witness of it too. And then I will decide to open my window capture to be like what's this, trading view. Oh, it's not, because it's minimized. Okay, so here I will unlock my terminal. Alright, you can see this now. So I took a trade on London session, which was this trade right here. Went pretty good here, being, you know, dragging up and down, but then I just closed it here because it's yeah, about to be the AM, so I'm going to take another one, and I don't want to have a open position on the other session, because that's gonna be really bad if the thing is going south. So I just closed it here, made some profit, and there was also like some minus here on the US500 SPX, whatever you call it, you name it. So, but yeah, the London gives me $26 of profits. So yeah, I just want to be transparent now, nothing being hidden or whatever the fuck it is, so you can be, you know, witnessing the progress from the beginning. So this is the beginning. This is the first trade that I took on this account. Maybe no. Okay, so that's it. And you can see the live execution and all of this stuff, just like that. Okay. Okay. So here it is, the 15k, and probably you are wondering why I took the FXIFY prop firm. Because first, the broker is FXPig. It has really good spread for the Nasdaq and US500. It's really good, like compared to the what was the last one, my fund FX on the, let me check it on my phone. It has like 80 pips spread. Let me log in on my phone, check it real quick. It has around 110 point of spread. Compared to this is only 60. That's half of the spread cut here. And the US500 is kind of similar. On the my funded FX is 40, and here we have 46. That's not really, only 0.04 4. That's a really is 6. Still pretty good, but that is a big on this Nasdaq thing. But a little bit of a minus with this one is I think it has hidden cost, like what's the name, commission here. It has commissions here. Maybe the spread is, allocated here, but no issue at all. So yeah, back to the FXIFY again. Why did I use it again? Using it is also it is having a discount. That's a major thing. I was scrolling my Instagram and the discount just pops up. Hey, use this discount. The 15K account is only around $59, and I took that. And I also purchased the add-on for the bi-weekly withdrawal that up the price for 5%, so I'm paying like 63 for 15K account, which is compared to the other prop firms nowadays. They only have like maximum maybe around 20% or 30% for the Labor Day, and that's still high. Even for just the 10K account, it's still be around around 70 to 80 or even $90. So that's a really good price for me to choose the FXIFY. It's also legit. I did couple of research. The challenge is also makes sense, the rules and everything, the payout. I researched about it on YouTube and Google, and it's really good. So yeah, that's why I'm using it. So again, yeah, that's why. Now let's get back to the chart. Here. Okay, 3 minutes before the time begin. Be waiting for that. I was willing to take a couple of back tests about what I'm going to do on the new setup, or here is going to be it. Here's what I'm going to do. Wait, is it lagging? The live stream is stopped. I see. I can only choose one. How can I combine this? Blend. No. How do I do this? Group selected item. So I can display like whichever. I don't know, that doesn't work. How do I do this? Scale filtering, show transition, hide full screen project, order. I don't think I can do that. I really want to show. Oh, maybe I just need to minimize this, right? Minimize. Does that help? It's a US holiday today, keep that in mind. Yeah, I watched the folder. It is. That might make the market kind of slow, or I don't know. But I'ma keep following my. I will try to follow my strategy blindly, Oh, it's not showing. That's not how it works. I don't understand anymore about this, bro. Like I really want to make it. Maybe there's a way, but I don't know how. Like I want to minimize the trading view and showing the MT5, but yeah, it is what it is, so I'm just gonna hide that first for now. So here's the deal. The deal is I will trade the first FEG on the 1 minute on this market, US500 or the Nasdaq. Despite of everything, because I did backtest, even on the if the price is above the midnight level, above everything, the price can still go up, respecting the first FEG that occurs here. Okay, we don't have it on S&P 500, but we have it on Nasdaq. So I will follow it. I will open my position here on the Nasdaq, 0.76. That's my 1% risk. But I will be looking for a better thing. Not in yet. KKK. And also the 5 minutes. I have two setups on both of these. The first is going to be on the 1 minute. Okay, I'm in. Alright, you hear the sound. That's 1%. I'm risking 1%. 1% for 2,000 points. So here I'm also following the ICT's rules, risking 2,000 to get 4,000. That's 20 handles to 40 handles. Just that. Or maybe if the market is having like a noticeable liquidity on the left, then that will be also my target, maybe like this one, you know. But for the basic, that will be the 1 to 2 basically. So yeah, and each of my session is gonna be shorter, I think, right now, because I will not be moving anything to break even, because I will be letting everything run either to the stop or to the take profit level, because I really hate to cope with break-even trades. I can't really do it currently, so yeah, just trying to make peace with myself. Okay, on the Nasdaq we have the bullish FEG that forms first. The 10, the first candle on the 10 is still count for me on the back test, but here on the SPX is not. So this is kind of a contra move and SPX is the first FEG is here, but this strategy is keep trailing the freshest FEG, and right now it's right here. So I'll be like practically showing you how I will be trading this strategy. It's a pretty simple one. So it's going to be the first fair value gap that's occurring during the session. By risking 1% to get 2%. That's easy, right? Easy peasy. Okay, now it's a little bit weird. Not weird, but opposite, because this has buy setup, this has sell setup. But I need to also do forward test, which I'm doing right now, including the forward test here, which is to test how accurate is the FEG the FEG on the starting. This candle is the first minute on the session, right? Which one is more accurate, this one or it? This is gonna be the first candle to be forming the FEG. So yeah, I'm going to also keep that in mind to test it. But for now, I will be keeping myself to follow my plan like blindly, the checklist. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So again, this strategy is picking up the freshest FEG. Now it's here because on my backtest it tends to respect the closest FEG, boop, and then go down. And if you try to limit your order on the really first FEG, it could be sometimes triggered, but it could be too late or something, like not even mitigated into that. So that's why it's using the closest fair value gap. Okay. I think it's going straight to the stop loss. Oh, look at this move. It's not even mitigating anything, just keep going down, boyoing. Boyoing. My London entry was here. This was my London entry right here. I'm not closing it on the full TP. I took full on partial. Around somewhere around this right here. Yeah, maybe on the 10. Is it 10? Yeah, somewhere around here with the 10 points. And maybe the price wants to mitigate this entry one more time. I don't know. If it does, then it's gonna be my SL first. And then the price is gonna run. I don't know. I don't care. Okay. Do we have an FEG here on the ES? No. Nothing to mitigate here. I also have the 5 minutes setup here, which is also going to be the first FEG on the session, which we have here right now. It is kind of opposite of the 1 minute. If it's opposite, then I will not be taking the 5 minutes because I placed my order. And the thing is with the challenge that I'm taking now, the leverage is kind of small, maybe 1 to 30 or 1 to 50, I don't remember. So even with 1% risk, I can only open one of Nasdaq position because of the contract size is kind of big. But I can open multiple of the SPX because probably much less of the size in the contract. So that's why if I already found a setup on the Nasdaq, I will be ignoring the SPX and even the 5 minutes on this because I can't take it anymore because of the leverage kind of thing. Hey, what's going on, brother? How it is? calling my name like you miss me. Yeah, you are gay. I mean, no. Well, what's up? Trade is still going on. If you want to see the live execution, I will show you the live execution. Here it is. Boom. So it's minus now. 72. The stop loss is 2000 and the take profit is 4000. So 150 risk to earn 300. And I will likely to just let the trade run to either stop loss or the take profit. I don't give a shit about break even. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to take a screenshot. I will discard the yeah, this mitigated, but I will be just discarding this. And if I take a screenshot of this, will okay. This trade is, and the thing with this strategy is, if it's going to a stop loss, you can know if it's going to be a losing trade like pretty fast, and I know that it is going to be a losing trade because the move. I mean, you can see it. Like, this move, this is gonna go down. But I'm gonna journal it anyway. It's AM. What's today? 2004 09 2023. So I finally embraced myself to trade on Nasdaq because I finally made the calculation to trade here. As I said before, I want to trade on the Nasdaq, but I just don't have the calculation, the lot, and the everything. And now I have it. I will be migrating myself fully to the Nasdaq, I think, because what I found myself being more comfortable on the Nasdaq is like the range of the stop is enough to let the price moving up and down compared to the SPX and the ES. As you can see on the London trade is placed here, the price is going up and down, and that's just not taking the stop unless this one, as I said, I know that this trade is going to be a loss because you can feel the move of this, like starting to understand about it. But I will not be interfering by closing it here because I know it's going to be a loss. The plan is there to be followed, so I will follow it. Easy. There's nothing easier than following the trading plan. You just need to battle your emotion a little bit. So the setup for the ES is actually here, but I will not be taking that because my rule is the first FEG that formed after the session, which in this case on SPX it's respecting this FEG right here. Okay, it moved half TP and now this trade is stopped. Okay, took a loss. Update the journal. Position cleared on the MT5 if you want to see it. Here there's nothing going on, it stopped. Okay, back to here. Since we are only 15 minutes into the trading hour, I will be looking for another setup. Okay, the 5 minutes is not yet mitigated. So what's the deal now? Now I don't have any position open, right? If the price is going back to this level here on the first FEG 5 minutes, I will take that. I'll limit that. But the rule is a little bit different here. I'm not going to do it 2040, but the rules on the 5 minutes is going to be, it's actually the strategy given by Dan Chung. How do I spell his name? So it's basically doing 1-to-2 ratio by utilizing this FEG candle and do 1-to-2 based on that. 1-to-2 is here, so it's here like that. This is gonna be a limit order. Okay. So yes, that FEG is perfect for the SPX US500s. And this first trade of the strategy, actually the second, is showing me that the FEG that occurs after this first candle is more accurate. I'm not going to confluence anything like the midnight open or whatever. I'm just going to compare which FEG is going to be stronger. This could be a BPR if I use my like first really beginning setup, this one. This is the BPR, bearish BPR. But yeah, it's still on the forward test. So yeah. And as you can see, this is the first FEG mitigated. Respected and goes down. And let me see something that I think might be also interesting here. Here. Okay, how far will the drop go? Okay, it's on the OTE right here now. If this bounce, that will surely go back to the one of the FEG to give another selling opportunity. Okay, so the market is going to sell right now. My nose is okay. Maybe that's because of the MSS2 here. Let me compare to the London London. Okay, my London was here. It's after the boss here, and this effigy was after the candle, right? It's inside of the trading hours, not within overlapping between. Let me see another one. PM here, PM. Okay, the first FAG is here. It's not even shift, not even not anything. It's here. Set up here. Do here. Alright, that's it. Beautiful. After 40, it's just vanished again, backward. So within the hour, regarding of the shift of the or the breaks of structures, boom, where's the first FAG? We have it here. This is a really tight FAG, but take that. It's not mitigated. Hold on 1 minute. But if we wait, boom, mitigated here, went up, not to the TP but to the stop. Okay, maybe you want to close it there, I don't know. Okay, what's the other thing? Scroll back to another London. Another 3. Boom. Here is the FEG. Here, mark the setup, got mitigated, and then fly up. Easy. Easy, isn't it? This was the August market that was kind of fucked up, but it works well with this 1 minute strategy. Boom, FEG right here. Where's my thing? Okay. Mitigated. Stopped. Oh no, it wasn't. But the spread probably stopped that trade, and it's not even to the TP, and then yeah, finally stopped. See this? No. This is the sell FEG. Here, stopped. Of course, it stopped. I'm not confluencing this with a midnight open and everything, any other stuff. I just wanna forward test the raw version of it. So here, like this one, this FEG is on the first candle. If this taken, that would have been a TP. Is it a TP? Oh no, it's actually a loss. So even though if it's the sell, it's also gonna be a loss. But here's the deal with the strategy. Okay, let me take one more. Here, it's here. Here. Okay. It mitigated and then stopped here. So why that I'm confident enough to use this 1 minute first FEG, it's because that I did a back test. It was from the first date of August to the first week, through the first week, with the winning and the losing of it. by the end of the week, the count is up on the back test. So again, that's probably because of the good risk management and the risk to reward ratio that made it possible. So yeah, the point is here I will be following the setup blindly, like boom 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 boom, without emotion. I see that, I do that. I see this, I do this, without emotion, thinking about, oh but it's above this, oh this above that, oh but we are here, we are there, oh no, oh I will try the most of myself to cut the emotions and just trade based on what I see regarding on this level. This will be the concern later if the strategy is finally blowing the account, or maybe make it down half of the maximum drawdown, and I will do more research about it, either to confluence, like this was above the new midnight line, then we are looking for a sell, or maybe like that, or even maybe we will look for the higher time frame to see which was the draw, and I believe this was the draw of the liquidity. This is the 50-minute structure, right here, drawn and then drop, but still not sure about that. And if this is the structure right here, if this drawn later, then we can look for the reversal, because it's below the 0.5 fib retracement. So just like that, but now it's gonna be like this. Oh, the US 500 has almost reached its TP on the 5 handles. I didn't take this nor this. Mine was already stop loss on the buy side because of this FEG, buy side FEG here. And this is the limit of the 5 minutes first FEG setup. How is it gonna work? It looks like this, the 5 minutes. So let me scroll down here. So the 5 minutes, the first FEG is here, right? It's here. The stop loss is here on the end of the first FEG candle, and target 1 to 2. Okay, like that. The limit set, and we don't care if the order will be picked up when. We just set the limit. But this example was a prime loss. After that, prices went boom boom. Let's take another example. Maybe let me take a look here. No, it's still bad. So why do I not prioritizing the 5 minute setup? Because it occurs later than the 1 minute, and the backtest, full August backtest result was so little, only 20 handles on the Nasdaq. I think the full month, the win rate is also kind of slow, around 30 to 40%, but the model has that 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. That's why. Oh, that was on the US500, not on the Nasdaq. Sorry. it could deliver 30 handles uh, on even on the 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. That's why the account like survived, giving 20 handles of a profit by the end of the month. But it will not be enough for what I'm trying to achieve, right? So yeah, and also yeah, it is appear later, and then the backtest result was not that good, so that's why I'm not prioritizing the 5 minutes. I will only take the 5 minutes, like adding, averaging up the position if it's aligned with the 1 minute. Like the 1 minute is solid, sell, selling, sell, and then the 5 minutes is also selling. So, and the price comes back to that level, then that will be a chance to scale up the position, average up like that. But I will not be able to do that on one pair, like on the Nasdaq, because of the leverage I talked about earlier. So yeah, one position is enough for me to take 1%. Easy. Okay, so it's AM. It's minus 150.86. Four, five, six. Okay, this two trade has went to the TP. If I took a sell, but I don't. Here is the entry. So we trail the entry to the versus FEG. Not here, not here, not here, not here, and then not here. It this right here, because this was the freshest FEG and then got mitigated. Is it already 40 now? No, not yet. A little bit more. So that will be the entry on the new setup, or maybe the original one, while the US500 has already done it. So it's not here, not here, not here, not here. Oh, it's here, because after this mitigated and then drop 5 handles. This is what we aim for. Okay, so we are 34 minutes inside of the SB hour. Okay, let's see where the 5 minutes freshest FEG resides. It's here. The freshest is here. I will make an alert. 5 minutes FEG mitigated. here. Make an alert on that. If the price goes there, that could be another selling entry, because market has shifted, goes back here or even here to this FAG and then go down. That's a really easy thing to do. You just need to control your emotion, like need to just care less about the dollars, the balance, the account balance. Don't care about that. The main thing is maintain the percentage, so that will be still stable and not make you greedy with it. Okay, let's wait now. Set the alert there. Maybe on the I will not do anything with the US500, only Nasdaq. I will migrate myself to Nasdaq. Oh, see these red lines printed by the indicator? That's the targets that could be filled by the market. Okay, shoot. My expectation is going to be what? On 50, 1050, or even the lunch macro, the price will retrace back to this entry, or even more to the OT. We don't have that yet because the market is still dropping, but after it goes up, shifting, then we can draw this Fibonacci again to determine where the OTA will be. If that is kind of a similar level, then the OTE should be around this first VG to this this entry that is being set right now. Alright, let's chill and see for a moment right now. Oh yeah, one more. If you want to join and learn about the silver bullet strategy, you can go to here to the Discord server, completely free. There's a lot of learning material that you can use right there that will bring goods only to your life. Ah, okay. So we are on the 1050 macro right now. Let's see where the price will be driven during this macro. Okay, the macro just delivered the Nasdaq setup to the TP. Oh, why is it only 24? That should be because it's only like the I see. This is only the 15-minute difference. So that was not the setup. It should be okay. It's still here. So it's still running. Extend. Okay. Do we have a shift? Do we have a shift? Not yet. So it's still going down. Let's see where the launch will drive the price to. Is it gonna be down, deeper, or up to the upside? Oh, maybe that's kind of a good thing to put an affiliate program here. Okay, what do we have now? Okay, the price might want to go lower yet to the new day opening gap or the Hong Kong gap. Yeah, it is. Yeah, here. Okay, alright. And now we are on the 22.55. Still running the macro right now. But for the disclaimer, I will try to take all sessions if there's no red folder news. on live stream or off stream. But for the off stream, I will be updating the position on the next live stream after that off stream executed. So just to keep myself on track and not distracted to do anything stupid, to keep myself on the risk management. Okay, I will be waiting for the macro, glance macro. Price drop real hard. Oh, what was happening? I wanna visit back. So London bullish, bullish, ranging, taken out, drop. London bullish, Asian ranging, taken out, drop, but the drop. London consolidating, Asian bullish, New York reverse. London bearish, Asian bullish, New York reverse. I don't know. I'm just
Kelar.
okay. The 40 handles has been hit here. Just 1 hour at the end of the AM session. Silver bullet. Now let's see what's gonna happen. I will hang around since I don't have anything much to do. Just to watch the price. Okay, I think the market still wants to go down. Um, on the lunch I will be not monitoring the market because that will take a lot of energy for me. So with that being said, I will be ending the stream right now. And this stream was down my account around 1 point something percent. Not nothing to be said for. So I will be back on the PM later in a couple of hours. All right. Thank you very much for hanging around. Don't forget to click every link that I sent. That will be also benefiting you. So yeah. Take care. Be safe.